Okay, so we are starting with chapter 2 of 9th class, that is polynomial. So before studying polynomial, we must know about terms. So let us start with terms. तो टर्म कोई भी एक ऐसा हम बोल सकते हैं वैल्यू है जिसके अंदर या तो सिर्फ वेरिएबल होगा या नंबर होगा या फिर दोनों होंगे. वेरिएबल में हमारे पास A to Z तक आता है, जैसे X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. नंबर में कॉन्स्टेंट होते हैं जैसे 1, 2, 3 एक्सेट्रा. तो अगर हम टर्म्स के एग्जांपल देखें तो 2x हो सकता है जिसके अंदर दोनों चीजें, हमारे पास नंबर भी है और वेरिएबल भी है. 3y में भी दोनों है, 4 में सिर्फ नंबर है और 4xy में दोनों है. तो अब देखते हैं पॉलिनोमियल क्या होता है. पॉलिनोमियल इन्हीं टर्म्स के कॉम्बिनेशन को बोला जाता है जिसके अंदर हो सकता है सिर्फ सिंगल टर्म हो जैसे ये वाला, या फिर हो सकता है जिसके अंदर मल्टीपल टर्म्स हो जैसे इसके अंदर 3 टर्म्स है. तो ये दोनों ही पॉलिनोमियल के एग्जाम्पल है. लेकिन हमें क्वेश्चंस में आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए आ सकता है कि बताओ ये पॉलिनोमियल है कि नहीं. तो उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने का एक सिंपल सा रूल है कि उसके जो वेरिएबल्स हैं उनकी पावर होल नंबर होनी चाहिए. तो होल नंबर क्या होते हैं? होल नंबर्स ऐसे नंबर होते हैं जो 0 से स्टार्ट होते हैं और जो इंफिनिटी तक जा सकते हैं. यानी कि इसके अंदर हमारे पास डेसिमल नहीं आता, नाइदर इट कंटेन्स फ्रैक्शन like 1/2 which stands for under root. So let us take an example. Under root t plus t square. In this, power of under root t is half, power of t square is 2. So here power of under root t is a fraction, so it is not a polynomial. So in this way we can decide whether a given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. Let's take some examples. So in first example, here power of x is 3 in first term, and in second term it is 2, in third term it is 1, and in fourth term it is 0. Because power of any variable 0 gives answer 1, so we can write 1 as x की power 0. So in this case all the powers are whole numbers, so we can say that yes, it is a polynomial. Now let's come to example number 2. Here power of x in the first term is 3/2, which is a fraction, and in second case it is 1, which is a whole number. So we can say it is not a polynomial because power of one of the variable in first term is a fraction. Hence we can conclude that it is not a polynomial. Now let us come to example number 3. For first term we have to convert this into numerator. So when we convert, 1/x square becomes x raised to power -2. And in second term power of x is 3 and in last it is 0. So we can say that it is not a polynomial because power of one of the term is -2, which is a negative number, and it is not a whole number. Now let us come to the last example, that is 2x plus y. Here power of variable in first term is 1 and in second term also it is 1, so we can say that it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in 2 variables. All other examples given above are polynomial in 1 variable. Now let us come to concept number 2, that is coefficient. So how we can identify coefficient of a particular term? Let us take an example, that is 2x cube plus 6x square plus 7x. Say we have to identify coefficient of second term 6x square. Now in this, hide the variable which is x square and we will see that 6 is left. So coefficient of x square is 6. Now let us come to the second example, 3x square minus 6x plus 7. Now say we have to identify coefficient of both the term. So in first term, hide the x square and we will find that 3 is left, which is the coefficient of x square. And in second term, if we hide x, then we are left with -6. So coefficient of x is -6. So we have to remember this, that coefficient has to be written with its sign. If it's plus, then we can ignore it as we have done in the first example. So now let us come to the concept number 3, that is degree. This is a very useful concept as it will be used in identifying the type of polynomial. So what is degree? Degree is the highest power. So how to find it? Let us take an example, 6x cube plus 2x plus 4x raised to power 4 plus 9. Let us see the powers of each variable in each term. In first term, power of x is 3. In second term, power of x is 1. In third term, power of x is 4. And in last term, power of x is 0. As I have already explained, x raised to power 0 is 1. So if there is nothing, we can write it as 1. So if we see the highest power in this polynomial is 4. So we can say that the degree of this particular polynomial is 4. Let us take one more example. 6x square plus 7x plus 9. Now here power of first term is 2, power of second term is 1 and power of third term is 0. So here degree of this polynomial is 2. In next video, we will be covering the types of polynomial based on degree as well as term. So please like, subscribe and share to watch other videos.